revision is changing. It's really important you learn how to use and adapt and work with AI in your revision, or you risk getting left behind. But what I want to do in today's video is introduce you to Recall AI and show you how I'd use it to improve my vision and level up in general. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe. My name is Henry Brand. I got all into my GCSEs, and I'm aiming just to produce revision content and videos to help you improve your revision with specific subjects and subjects in general throughout exam season and beyond. So please subscribe, and I'll try and respond to all comments as well. Now, Recall AI is basically a way of storing and organizing information very effectively. What Recall allowed you to do is summarize videos, PDFs, web pages, you name it, really concisely. And then with an AI chat, you can kind of interact with this, and then it can test you on it as well. Now, the reason this is so useful is because it saves time, because you can go from a 1-hour video to getting a concise summary of the stuff that's most important to you. And that can be timestamped. So you can look through the timestamp and clearly click on the bits that you want to see or interact with it. Now, it also allows you to be more active in your revision. So it's really important as well that your revision is not just watching videos and leaving it, or otherwise you're going to forget it. It's about going over it again and again. So what I'm going to do in today's video is show you guys some features of Recall and how I'd use it in my revision to improve my revision and how I'm revising. Thanks for watching, and I'm really excited to show you this. If you want to get Recall AI, you can test it out for free by clicking the link in the description. And if you want premium, you can also get 30% off using my code. Now, say we have this video, okay? 23 minutes long, all of AQA GCSE Chemistry Paper 2 in 25 minutes. By the way, side note, these videos are really useful, okay? It's really important you are getting through lots of content, and this is a good way to kind of go through everything to remind you and recap chemistry for you. However, this video is 23 minutes long, and I know you guys know the feeling when you've got like a huge video or maybe a podcast even, and you're just interested in certain topics. You don't need the whole thing. You're not really sure where to start. This is where Recall is going to come in, okay? So if I click the Recall icon at the top, it actually summarizes the entire video for you. And this has linked very clearly like the timestamps in the video. So what I'll be doing now is having a look through this, and then I can pick some topics like potable water or treatment of wastewater where I need to improve on them, okay? So that's incredibly useful, and it's now summarized it. What you can also do is chat with the AI, okay? So what I've done here is I've asked it what is a polymer, and it has come up with like literally what it is, and it's timestamped it. So using Recall, we're taking a video that you may watch and not remember into something so much more, and it has also saved it to the Recall app as well, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. Another really important example then is Recall works well on web pages like this. So it's really crucial, as I've said to you guys, you need to learn the practicals in science because they are guaranteed to come up, okay? So it's really worth revising that. Now, say I've got this Save My Exams page on the practicals, okay? How to answer required practical questions. Now, if I were just looking at this normally, I might just read it, not really take it in, not be too sure on it, okay? Because it's a long bit of information, I want to condense it. Again, we can use Recall to condense it. So it's really concisely summarized this, okay? And the acronym EMMAS, Equipment, Method, Measurements, Analysis, and Safety, is, I really like that point actually, okay? So it's summarized that document into something so much easier for me and come up with some great points, and I've highlighted that because I think it's really important, okay? Now, even more, again, I can chat with this, okay? So say I say that, okay, so what is the best, let's go with, what is your best practical advice, okay? And the AI is going to respond. I mean, here we go. I've taken something and it's completely interacting to me from this, which is just so useful. Here we go then. Focus on required practicals, master the method planning, okay? Structure your answer and use EMMAS. That's incredibly useful, okay, guys? So this is the power of Recall in taking passive revision and making it much more active. Now, I'm going to show you guys this in much more detail now by going to the Recall webpage, okay? So here is where Recall summarizes all of the information. Everything that you save is sent here. And this is where it gets really, really impressive, okay? So as you can see, here is the all of AQA Chemistry Paper 2 and also the required practicals too. So the two things I saved, and there's some other stuff as well that I've been using. So Environment Up to Germany, and I'll come on to that in a second. Now let's have a look at this, okay? So it's got the entire kind of web page here. So I can find it again here. This is literally all of it. And then it's got the concise summary here. Now, there's a couple of other great features, okay? So first of all, I can actually make notes here. This is the notebook. So I can add any comments that I have, maybe like, I need to learn this, or some other points, just whatever notes you want, okay? I've already talked to you about AI chat, which is incredibly useful. Here's where it gets really, really good, guys. So now we have a quiz. Okay, so Recall has now created a quiz for me from this information, okay? So if I click Start Review, it literally has made questions from that web page. So we are going from passive revision, okay, which I've told you is basically when you are not really engaging with the content, to now quizzes and testing on it, okay? What is the primary purpose of conducting practical activities? Let's have a look. Reckon it's that. Yeah, there we go. So it's actually tested this, and this works as well with the video, the YouTube video you can create a quiz for and chat with that as well. You can also get it on your phone, and instead of doom scrolling or scrolling on TikTok, do the quizzes. And then going on top of that, it has Recall Review, okay? So this makes sure it stays in your head by using spaced repetition. Now, it's very easy to kind of read something, like say I just watched this video, okay, and leave it. Okay, so it doesn't really come back. I don't really think about it again. With Recall, you can generate a quiz and it's going to tell you when you need to go through the content for maximum memory. So I put in one of my videos into it. Watch this video before GCSE Biology Paper 1, last minute advice. And it's put it in a quiz and it gives you daily questions that you need to do to help you remember. So with this now, that's incredibly useful at building something much bigger, okay? And we'll just have a little look as well at the connections Recall makes. So here I've uploaded some information about Weimar Nazi Germany, PVC bite-size, learning for history, okay? And it makes really powerful connections, okay? So here is the note on the Weimar Republic, and we can see it all starts to link together, okay? So here are the backlinks. We've even got a graph on where it comes up, a quiz if I wanted to, and you can make any notes as well that you want on the Weimar Republic. Final feature then that I want to show you guys is the graph. So here you can really see the more you add, your connections are going to build together, and you can kind of see how it all interacts, okay? So slowly, I'm now building up a big picture, the Rentenmark of Weimar Nazi Germany, or GCSEs, or chemistry even, okay? This one's just started, so some chemistry revision. The more you research, the more you use Recall, the more this all comes together. I hope you guys are starting to see how effective this is, and how using Recall is going to give you such an advantage over just watching a video and leaving it, okay? This is what I told you at the start of today's video, okay? Revision is changing and you've got to change with it. I hope that video was helpful. I hope you guys have seen now how you can use Recall and how effective it really is. If you want to get Recall, click the link in the description. Subscribers on my channel and viewers on my channel get 30% off a monthly subscription. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.